Hello there. As promised, here's a quick video to help us with the word problem on tomorrow's test. This one will have very many of the same features and principles and properties as the word problems tomorrow on our test for Trigonometry Advanced Math. And so I hope you find it useful and helpful. In this situation, I've got this large truck here pulling on a chain that's tethered to this brick wall. And I want you to find, well, we'll find together here, the amount of force being exerted against the truck by the chain. So what would we have to know? First off, I would have to give you the force that the truck is pulling forward with. So let's say that this truck is pulling forward, completely horizontal, with a force of 1,200 pounds. Something else I would have to know is the angle that this chain makes with the horizontal. Let's say it makes an angle of 20 degrees with horizontal. All right, very good. That is actually all we have to know for this problem to find the force being exerted by this chain on the truck. We know that in order for this to be at equilibrium, so nothing moving, everything being held still, the amount of force in the horizontal direction exerted by the chain would have to be equal to the amount of force the truck is pulling at. Very nice. So with that being the case, I'm going to go ahead and label here that the chain must be pulling back with a force of 1,200 pounds in the other direction. That would not be a given piece of information, but I can figure that out easily enough if I'm saying that this is in equilibrium. All right, now let's isolate this triangle being formed here. This triangle has a 20-degree angle in it. It has a horizontal component of 1,200 pounds. And now I can go ahead and find the hypotenuse of this right triangle using the cosine trigonometric ratio. The cosine of 20 degrees would be equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And let's label this hypotenuse force F. And so I'm going to be talking about the magnitude of that force F. Let's go ahead and solve this. A little bit of algebraic manipulation, and I can rewrite this after multiplying both sides by F. That gives me F times the cosine of 20 degrees is equal to 1,200 pounds. Let's divide by the cosine of 20. Divide by the cosine of 20. And we get F is equal to, let's go over to the calculator, 1,200 divided by the cosine of 20 gives me 1,277 pounds. That's all done. That is the force that is being pulled back. Great. Thank you very much. Hope that helps.